last bit now. Let's
You really
go.
need to be comfortable reassessing all the time and making sure that if something looks a little bit off, to fix it and not just rely on the fact that your underdrawing said that that's where it should be, and so it just needs to be there whether it looks right or not. You really need to make those decisions on the fly as you go. My 3/4 drawing in the back of the ear. Ears are something that's it's obviously.
I need to do this real quick. I just broke the tip. I broke it. I broke the tip. Severely apologize. Hope I got it right this time. Hold on a minute. Man, I love doing that voice. It's so awesome. That. Something's off big time. I think it's the ear actually. Let me pull this part back because yeah, the neck. Hold on. Right. It's right here. Right. Somewhere right here. I don't know. Somewhere right here. Let's grab this little thing right here. Twist it up. What? This is the final bit. Let's go. I'll learn how to draw that later on. That's for sure. Okay, that looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Okay.
Very important to really study.
Yeah.
Drawing in our upward looking angle.
Oh yeah. You know, this is actually I'm surprised I actually did really well with this one though, because that legit looks like something out of what's it called? It looks like it's something out of oh, I forgot, bro. Like image like 90s image comic, you know, honestly.
The biggest challenge on this one for me really is just trying to make sure that the nose looks like it's at the right angle, but it's also not so defined that it starts to fight and just look overly detailed. So you really
Yeah. Like something like that. Somewhere like right there, right? I don't know.
want to define it with his.
Okay, got it. Right. So that's really all you have to do is just draw on top right there. Pull that over there. Pull that there, and then you got it. You literally have it. I think. I hope. Jolly good show. Sorry, I don't. That's autism. You know. Gosh, I like this. This is awesome. Keep in mind, I get to do this again whenever I get a laptop and I do this again. You know what I mean? Sorry, I don't know what the heck I just said there. when I get a laptop to get Procreate, I'll see about the recording thing, the recording feature on there, and see if I can, make videos on it. That'll be dope. I'm sure that'll bring in a lot more people for sure.
Few little shapes as you possibly can. I felt like I was a little bit thick with the neck on this one too, so I just adjusted it in a little bit and just refining my ears a little bit.
It really was the perfect day.
Yeah, it was the perfect day until never mind, I got nothing. I got nothing. My battery saver. What the heck? Hold on. Oh man. Come on, I don't want to see The Rock talk about freaking ocean stuff. How ironic, rock, ocean. Anyways, look. Bear with me, please. I don't like that ear at all. I really don't like that ear, dude. Scary, bro. That looked terrifying. Oh, we're here now. Let's go. Alright, let's see what he got. What do you got? What do you got for me, buddy? Okay, we got a little something there. Okay. Oh no. Okay, got it. I think. What if I made it a little bit straight? Like that. I thought, yeah, I did that completely wrong. Hold on. I need to move this a little down. I knew something was up. I knew something was just wrong with it. Okay. I think that's it, right? Yeah. We're doing a little something here. Yeah. I think what I do is that. A little bit of that here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that looks a lot better. What the heck?
It's pointed downward because I like to have a slightly upturned nose, but from this angle it can be a little bit difficult to define that. So it was a bit of a challenge. Making sure to draw my ear so it looks like you're looking down at the ear.
I don't like this nose that I just got. That I just ruined. I think I fixed it. Maybe. I hope. Wait, if I did this. No. Yeah, let me do that real quick. I did. What I got going on here? Okay, so yeah, his lips are like a lot different than what I got here. A lot different. And I'll worry about the ears somehow. I don't know. I guess that's how you do it, dude.
And getting in the top of my head, I made the top of the head quite a bit smaller. You can see the shadow of what I had before on the page behind it, and in the end I decided I wanted it quite a bit smaller just to reduce the foreshortening effect a bit, and that I think was pushed out just a little bit too far, so I just moved it in a little bit, and I think that helps. It looks a little more proportional. And so finally, I'm just drawing in the shape of my hairline. I'm not drawing hair for these. There's just not time for this video, but I did want to, just as a landmark, draw in the shape of where my hair would go on all of these heads. And I think it's actually a very useful landmark, because if you can get the proper shape of hair between the ear and the eyes on the side of the head, then you know you have the proper distance and your proportions are working. So I think it's useful to get it in there.
Hairline there, hairline there.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll see you Sunday night at 8 o'clock Eastern for our Sunday drawing live stream.
That was awesome. And yes, I'm definitely going to do more studying off camera probably. I think right after I take a shower and cook. And yes, bro, this another cool thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a lot of this. I'm going to be revisiting this a lot more. And upon revisiting it a lot more, I'm going to improve obviously a lot more, and I'm going to adapt this kind of style that, you know, David Finch has. And when I get Procreate on an iPad and stuff, when I get an iPad with Procreate, I'm basically going to do the same thing here. Like I said earlier in the video, and gosh, that looks so that doesn't even look remotely close to what he said. Same here. But look, ADHD, dude, it's insane. ADHD is insane. Look. So that's basically what I'll do, is I'll keep coming back to this stuff, keep making videos of this stuff, and I'll get better, and I'll get better and better and better until I finally get it down where it's just completely in my system. But of course, going back to your fundamentals, going back to the basics is going to be a lot, it's going to help a lot. It's going to help you help. I just like transferred from talking about myself to you. It's going to help me a lot. I know that for sure. And, yeah, I mean, I can't wait. It's going to be awesome.